Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pedestal glam Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need, I have got some regular diamond wrap and some floral diamond wrap. And I picked these up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event lighting, decor, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name, and you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on your orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these candle holders, and this is a tulip shape, but you can use whatever shape you like. You're going to need a floral foam, a silver tray. I've got some picks from Dollar Tree and ornaments in different sizes. I've got some snowflakes. I've got some white poinsettias. I have got some little picks that I created out of a garland. But you can probably find these kinds of picks at Dollar Tree as well. And I've got some gold picks here, berry picks. I may or may not be using these, but we'll see as we go along. I'm going to be using some hot glue for my project. Now, if you want to make any components of this centerpiece permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete the centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't the centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and glam DIYs, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.